The markets are going wacko again. The debate is over. Who do you think won? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, the 8th of October. And this will be the last update of the week because I'll be in Las Vegas tomorrow. But you will have Bubba's Bottom Line coming on Sunday. But in the meantime, I'll take a couple days off and go hang out in the casino for a while. In the meantime, markets are crazy. They're up. They're up bigger. They're down. They're pretty volatile, pretty much a lot of price volatility after another big day up yesterday. So again, it's been absolutely whack. And, again, volumes are light, which makes it even more challenging because of the light volume. But at the end of the day, the markets are up. We're long, except for the NASDAQ, which is still the weakest of them all. And we'll continue to watch and monitor. But in the meantime, during the day, we don't make trades. We only trade once a day. If it's in the morning and the signal changed, we make the change. If not, we'll be here until tomorrow. So those positions remain the same. I can't tell you what I think is going to happen. I wouldn't be surprised if they get clobbered, and I wouldn't be surprised if they rally. So either way, it'll be fine. And of course, the metals have been almost as nuts as they continue to churn in this consolidation pattern. And again, remember, the pattern of consolidation is brutal to begin with. And I think that you'll see the metals again break again to the downside. Now, what they do or not, I can't prove that right now. I can prove it later. But in the meantime, the trend is lower. So typically, after consolidation breaks, it'll break the correct way, which is the way the market is headed. But again, we'll see. In the meantime, from being higher and significantly higher, both silver and gold are now negative on the day, and platinum is still a shade higher. Bonds and notes are a little bit higher. We're still short those, but they've been pounded all week. Natural gas is lower. We're short. Copper is flat. We're short. The dollar is higher. We're long. And of course, I don't know. Did I miss any of our things that we cover in this particular part of it? I don't remember right now. I'm losing my mind. Must be that Dreams on Vegas. Maybe it was that debate. I don't know. Anyways, so. Again, markets are markets, and that's what you always look for is, crude oil. Crude oil's up. Sorry, I knew I missed something. And we're short crude. Again, it's up. It was up more now. It's starting to fail a little bit, but still up about 80, 90 cents. So certainly nothing to complain about if you're long. If you're short, it's a little painful. But at the end of the day, markets are the same. They don't change. Okay, they're going to trade in patterns. They're going to trade in what we call the phases of the market. They're always doing and repeating the same things over and over again. So our positions are where we stand, all good. Grains are a little bit mixed today, but soybeans are up big once again. Corn's up nicely. Wheat is lower, but of course you would figure wheat might come down a bit after such a big move. We're long them all. It's all good. That's all I can say. They're running, and that's nice to see, and it's good to see for my farmers as well. So happy about that. And of course, cattle is about flat. Feeders are about flat. And hogs are up almost the limit. We're long live cattle or fat cattle. We're long hogs. We're short feeders. And in the soft markets, those of you who follow, the last I looked, again, these are never up to date because I don't watch those as actively, but the last I looked, cotton was higher, OJ was lower, coffee was lower, sugar was higher, and cocoa was flat. Okay? And of course, we're long cotton, short OJ, short coffee, long sugar, short cocoa. In the meantime, again, it's just markets are markets. Watch them, be patient, be careful, and patience and discipline will always win. Of course, our partnerships, family farms, and pretty exciting. I just put together a trip. It'll be in about 35 to 40 days through Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas, and I'll do some live seminars there. So I'll send out some notes, and you'll know. But again, if you have any interest now, send me a note now so I know you want to come. And of course, our brokerage partners, and again, as I always tell you, I have other brokerage accounts, but when it comes to to do the best job for me, CTG, letter direction trading, they handle it all. Great customer service, great product, answer the phone, and we'll be introducing new products, which the Saturday after the election, I'll be helping them introduce. And of course, Tradier for equities and options, $10 a month. That's my words. You can't beat that. They do a great job. Plus the fact that, of course, as we start to mechanicize or automate our stuff through their API and our software, you'll have the option, if you choose, to trade automated. You'll get to set up your own parameters. But for $10 a month, how can you beat it? And the commodity report, Andy Heck, Technomental, him and I will be introducing the new additions to that report. And of course, I keep mentioning that the prices are going up. Right now, they're $100 a month, $800 a year. It's Technomental at BUBBATrading.com, but they will be more expensive because we're going to be adding some much more specific trading in there based on the information. And don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. And of course, again, remember, no update tomorrow. We will be in Vegas, and football tonight. We've got a lot of problems with this COVID, but tonight you've got the Chicago stinking Bears against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I think the line is 4. We're going to go ahead and lay the 4 against the Bears, and it'll be a somewhat of a sizable play, although the Bears are at home and Thursdays are a rough night, but the Bears suck. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. It'll do it for today's Bubba's Daily Update.